the spark of desire, libido, and women's health. It's a topic that often goes unspoken, yet it plays a crucial role in our overall well being and quality of life. Low libido, or a decreased interest in sex, is a common concern for women. It can be distressing and can affect relationships and self esteem. While there are many potential causes, one often overlooked factor is nutrient deficiencies. Our diet and the nutrients we consume have a profound impact on our health, including our sexual health. Our bodies rely on a delicate balance of vitamins and minerals to function optimally, and this includes our sexual health. A well-balanced diet rich in essential nutrients is key to maintaining a healthy libido. When we don't get enough of certain nutrients, it can throw our hormones out of whack, zap our energy levels, and dampen our desire. This can lead to feelings of frustration and disconnection. This can be frustrating and disheartening, but the good news is that addressing these deficiencies can make a world of difference. By identifying and correcting these imbalances, you can restore your energy and libido. In this essay, we'll delve into 3 common deficiencies that can impact libido in women: iron, vitamin D, and zinc. Each of these nutrients plays a unique role in maintaining sexual health and overall vitality. We'll explore how these deficiencies affect the body, and most importantly, what you can do to reclaim your spark. From dietary changes to supplements, there are practical steps you can take to improve your nutrient intake. Remember, your libido is a vital part of your overall well-being. It's not just about sex, it's about feeling vibrant, connected, and alive. A healthy libido contributes to a sense of overall happiness and fulfillment. It's about feeling vibrant, connected, and sensual. Taking care of your sexual health is an important aspect of self-care and can enhance your relationships and personal satisfaction. By nourishing your body with the nutrients it needs, you can reignite the fire within and enjoy a more fulfilling and passionate life. Embrace the journey to better health and well-being, and let your libido be a reflection of your vibrant, healthy self. Iron fueling the fire within. This essential mineral is the spark that keeps our bodies running smoothly. Iron is an essential mineral that plays a crucial role in transporting oxygen throughout the body. It binds with hemoglobin in our red blood cells, allowing oxygen to travel from our lungs to every cell in our body, fueling our muscles and organs. When your iron levels are low, you may experience fatigue, shortness of breath, and a lack of energy. These symptoms can make even the simplest tasks feel like monumental challenges. This can significantly impact your libido, as it's hard to feel in the mood when you're constantly exhausted. Low iron levels can lead to a decrease in overall vitality, making it difficult to enjoy intimate moments. Iron deficiency, also known as anemia, is particularly common in women, especially those with heavy periods or who are pregnant. During these times, the body's demand for iron increases, making it crucial to maintain adequate levels. If you're feeling constantly tired and run down, it's essential to get your iron levels checked. A simple blood test can reveal if you're deficient and help you take the necessary steps to address it. Increasing your iron intake through iron-rich foods like red meat, spinach, and lentils can help boost your energy levels and, in turn, your libido. These foods are not only nutritious but also delicious, making it easy to incorporate them into your diet. In some cases, your doctor may recommend an iron supplement to address a deficiency. Supplements can be an effective way to quickly restore your iron levels, especially if dietary changes alone aren't enough. Remember, addressing iron deficiency is not just about boosting your libido, it's about improving your overall health and vitality. When your body has the iron it needs, you'll feel more energetic, focused, and ready to take on the day. By ensuring you're getting enough of this vital mineral, you'll feel more energized, vibrant, and ready to embrace life to the fullest. So, take charge of your health, fuel the fire within, and live your life with passion and vigor. Vitamin D sunshine for your sex drive. This essential nutrient is not just about bone health, it has a significant impact on your overall well-being, including your sexual health. Vitamin D, often referred to as the sunshine vitamin, is produced by our bodies in response to sunlight. When our skin is exposed to the sun's rays, it triggers the synthesis of vitamin D, which is then converted by the liver and kidneys into its active form. However, many of us don't get enough sun exposure, especially during the winter months, leading to vitamin D deficiency. This lack of sunlight can be due to shorter days, spending more time indoors, or living in higher latitudes where the sun's rays are weaker. Vitamin D plays a vital role in hormone regulation, including the production of estrogen and testosterone, which are essential for a healthy libido. These hormones are crucial for sexual arousal and maintaining a healthy sex drive in both men and women. When vitamin D levels are low, it can lead to hormonal imbalances, which can manifest as low sex drive, mood swings, and vaginal dryness. These symptoms can significantly impact your quality of life and intimate relationships. Increasing your vitamin D levels can be as simple as spending more time outdoors and incorporating vitamin D-rich foods into your diet. Regular outdoor activities like walking, jogging, or even gardening can help boost your vitamin D levels naturally. Fatty fish like salmon and tuna, egg yolks, and fortified foods like milk and cereals are all good sources of vitamin D. Including these foods in your daily meals can help maintain adequate vitamin D levels. Fortified foods, such as milk and cereals, are also excellent sources of vitamin D. These foods have been enriched with the vitamin to help people meet their daily requirements, especially those who may not get enough sun exposure. If you're concerned about your vitamin D levels, talk to your doctor about getting tested. A simple blood test can determine if you have a deficiency and need to take action. They may recommend a supplement to help you reach optimal levels and support your overall health, including your libido. Supplements can be an effective way to ensure you're getting enough vitamin D, especially during the winter months, or if you have limited sun exposure. By maintaining adequate vitamin D levels, you can improve your mood, boost your energy, and enhance your sex drive, leading to a more fulfilling and healthy life. Zinc, the unsung hero of hormonal harmony. Zinc is a trace mineral that often flies under the radar, but it plays a powerful role in our sexual health. It's essential for the production of testosterone, the hormone responsible for libido, in both men and women. Zinc also supports healthy ovulation and fertility in women, making it a crucial nutrient for those trying to conceive. Additionally, zinc contributes to vaginal lubrication, which is essential for comfortable and pleasurable sex. You can boost your zinc intake by including zinc-rich foods in your diet, such as oysters, pumpkin seeds, and beef. If you're struggling to meet your zinc needs through diet alone, your doctor may recommend a supplement. By ensuring adequate zinc levels, you can support hormonal balance, enhance libido, and improve your overall reproductive health. It's a small mineral with a big impact on your well-being.